Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transfer USDT using the TRC20 network from the Binance exchange. For that, first you need to open the wallet or exchange where you want to transfer. Here I will use BitGet exchange as an example. So first I will open BitGet exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First you need to click on assets, then you need to click on add fund, then you need to click on deposit crypto, then you need to select USDT here. So after selecting USDT, you need to use the network TRC20 here. So you can see TRC20 network here. You need to click on it. Then you need to click on the address you see here and copy it. After copying it, you have to exit from here and open the Binance exchange. After opening, then you will see an interface like this. Here you need to click on send. After clicking on send here, you will have to click on on-chain. Then you will see an interface like this. Here you have to select USDT. Then you have to click on send via crypto network. Then the address you copied has to be pasted here, the TRC20 network address. So here I will paste the address. Then you need to open a new site again. You have to click and select the network TRC20. You can see that TRC20 is the first one here. So I will select it. Then you need to enter the amount you wish to transfer. I will put $100 here. Then you have to click on withdrawal. Then the email registered with Binance will receive the OTP. Confirm using that OTP. Then your transfer using the TRC trading network will be completed. If you like our video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.